Y'all stupid, y'all should get out the J series.
Alright guys, welcome to another video. It's Matt Malone here. We got a race night going on with a bunch of Hondas. We got JP in the cut right now. I'm over here, socks. We got this guy, single cam, automatic. Hell yeah, we're gonna see him run. I might run him, stretch third. This guy right here, K24, built head. This one is fast, is Marcus. I believe he's full bolt-ons. What do you have in your car? And we got Big Ken over here. Do you know what Marcus has?
This is a base motor 6.6 with stock motor, stock trans, intake manifold, throttle body. I think it's P&P. We got Mr. Darrell.
Super clean.
Darrell that has the best parts of the best. Can't find discontinued parts.
He has the whole nine, basically.
He's tuned.
Tuned?
He's auto too.
Yeah.
Fuck everybody that
Oh, he's
that,
auto?
Yeah.
No way.
Anybody that says that y'all can't tune autos on Honda, y'all stupid, y'all should get out the J series.
And of course, we got Big Ken out here. I'm not sure. He said his car is misfiring. I'm not sure what's going on with it. And also, I don't know how much nitrous he's running. Got a, what's this, 9th gen, 8th gen on some Tesla wheels. Looks pretty dope. So yeah, as you can tell by the music, we're obviously in Mexico. We're gonna try to make this a fun night, try to make it a safe night as well. And let's get the GoPro on and yeah, let's go. So that was a bit of a mess. There was a bunch of traffic and everybody just scattered. Kenny, he broke down twice. So right now we just met up with Squid here. It's K24, EP3, and this SI right here. What's the name of your SI? Just one stock? Oh, sweet. We should run. thing. We put the GoPro on the EP3. I started recording from my phone. I don't know if it turned off, but we'll see.
Y'all stood in your lanes. Y'all stood in your lanes. That's the main thing. Stay the fuck down.
Yeah. EP3, K24, Type R. They just did some runs right now, and his cop pulled up right on us. But we're good. It was real cool.